Imagine walking into a senior Angular interview in late 2026. The interviewer asks, how would you build an AI-native Angular component? If your answer starts with, first, I'll create a component using Angular CLI. You've already lost, because the biggest shift happening in front-end development isn't Angular 21, it isn't Signals, it isn't SSR, it's this.
AI is no longer becoming another API. It is becoming part of your application architecture. The UI doesn't simply display data anymore. It predicts, it generates, it adapts, it learns from the user. And companies paying 40 LPA, 60 LPA, or even higher aren't searching for developers who know Angular. They're searching for architects who know how Angular works together with AI. Today, we're going to completely rethink how Angular components should be built for the AI era. We'll build AI-native architecture. We'll use Angular signals. We'll design predictive UI. We'll optimize real-time inference. And most importantly, you'll learn the exact concepts interviewers will expect from senior engineers heading into late 2026. Before we jump in, if you're serious about becoming an AI-powered Angular architect instead of just another front-end developer, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we break down the future of front-end engineering before it becomes mainstream. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and share it with your developer friends.
Let's start with an uncomfortable truth. Most Angular applications built today are static. Yes, they use signals, they use standalone components, they use lazy loading, but they're still fundamentally static. Think about a traditional product page. Developer decides, show title, show image, show reviews, show recommendations. Everything is predefined. The component decides every pixel before the user even opens the page. Now compare that with AI-native applications. Suppose a customer searches, "Find me a gaming laptop for machine learning." The interface shouldn't simply filter products. It should generate an entirely different experience. Maybe it shows benchmark charts. Maybe it generates comparison tables. Maybe it displays GPU recommendations. Maybe it explains why one laptop is better. The layout itself changes. That means the component is no longer responsible for deciding every element. Instead, the component provides a flexible structure. The AI decides what belongs inside that structure. This is called prompt-engineered UI. Instead of designing fixed layouts, we design intelligent containers. Instead of coding every variation, we define rules. Think of Angular components becoming orchestras. AI becomes the conductor. Angular simply ensures everything stays synchronized. Explanation of code. Instead of hard-coding 10 different sections, the UI receives AI-generated blocks. Angular simply renders them. Tomorrow, the AI can decide to generate 20 blocks. No template rewrite required. That's future-proof architecture. If this mindset shift is already changing how you think about Angular architecture, hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more developers preparing for the AI era.
Now let's combine Angular signals with AI. Most developers use signals like this. User changes value, signal updates, UI refreshes. Simple. But AI native architecture introduces prediction. Instead of reacting, the application starts anticipating. Imagine typing inside a search box. Current applications wait until you finish typing. Future applications start preparing results before you're done. Angular signals make this surprisingly elegant. Notice something powerful. We're not sending random strings to AI. We're generating structured prompts. Signals automatically rebuild prompts whenever context changes. This creates extremely efficient AI pipelines. Instead of manually assembling request payloads, signals continuously prepare context. When AI is finally called, everything is already ready. Minimal work, maximum responsiveness. This is exactly the kind of architecture senior interviewers love discussing. If you're learning something new, subscribe now because upcoming videos will cover Model Context Protocol, AI agents, Angular signals, and advanced system design questions that companies are already asking.
Here's where performance becomes critical. Imagine AI generating content every second. If Angular keeps destroying and rebuilding the DOM, users notice lag, layouts jump, animations freeze, frame rate drops. Professional applications cannot afford that. Instead, we isolate AI-generated regions. Everything else stays untouched. Using signals with onPush ensures only the affected section updates. Your navigation, sidebar, toolbar, forms remain completely stable. Only the AI output changes. This dramatically improves perceived performance. Another optimization is streaming responses. Instead of waiting for the entire AI answer, display tokens gradually. Users feel the application is much faster, even when total response time stays exactly the same. Perceived speed matters just as much as actual speed. Performance is what separates junior developers from senior architects. If you want more deep dives like this, share this video with your Angular team so everyone stays ahead of the curve.
Here's the most exciting part: predictive interfaces. Imagine you're editing a document. Without clicking anything, the application predicts you'll need grammar checking, summary generation, translation, email drafting. Those tools appear before you ask. How? By observing user behavior. Current page, recent actions, current selection, cursor position. All become signals. Those signals become AI context. Then AI predicts the next likely interaction. Code example. Instead of waiting for a button click, the interface intelligently prepares the next action. That feels magical. But technically, it's simply Angular signals combined with intelligent inference. If you're excited about predictive interfaces becoming the future of Angular, give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that developers want more advanced AI architecture content like this.
Let's finish with your career. Here's what most resumes say: built Angular applications, created dashboards, implemented authentication, integrated REST APIs. That's expected. Now imagine this instead: designed AI-native Angular architecture using signals, built predictive UI powered by structured prompt pipelines, implemented streaming inference with dynamic component rendering, optimized generative interfaces for low-latency user experience. Now you're speaking the language of staff engineers. Even if today's projects don't fully require AI-native patterns, understanding these architectural principles prepares you for where front-end engineering is heading. A great portfolio idea is to build a smart knowledge assistant with Angular. Use signals for application state, stream AI responses into the interface, render dynamic cards based on structured output, and demonstrate clean separation between UI, prompt generation, and data orchestration. Projects like this showcase architecture, not just features. The developers who thrive over the next 18 months won't necessarily be the ones who memorize every Angular API. They'll be the ones who can answer a bigger question. How do you design software that collaborates with AI instead of merely calling it? That's the mindset that opens doors to senior, lead, and architect roles. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with one question. What AI-native Angular project are you planning to build next? And if you want to stay ahead of every major Angular, AI, Signals, Gen AI, and front-end architecture trend before it becomes an interview question, this channel is built for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.